That guy silenced 235.
I say we get up to the side of that hill if we can.
Yep, let's go.
Alright.
Left.
I'm not driving.
I mean, it's gonna be risky, but I think that's what we need.
Get your primary out.
Yep, we're probably gonna have to fight on this smoke left.
Got my pan.
I got my.
You know what? You know what? Hey, I'm gonna try and force far left.
That's fine.
I don't know if it's gonna make it. I'm gonna try and nestle in here.
Cut it right. Cut it right.
That guy's about to get wasted.
Grenade out. Nice. Healing.
Pull back a bit.
Tree on hill.
Healing.
There's teams coming up below us. I'm right behind you, Corvus.
Yep, yep. Yeah, I'm worried about that. You guys watch left. Crimson, I got right.
I do have one guy knocked by that tree. You can throw a grenade on it.
Hold up. I see this guy 200.
He's going right to pick up the guy at the tree. Yellow mark.
Knocked one. New
Crimson,
cheaters out.
underneath us, 290.
He's hit twice.
Come up a little bit. We have one guy below us. Keep it on the guys left. Let us know if they're pushing.
He's careful, Dojo. You're in his line of sight. It's straight 285.
Yeah. Got it.
Play this circle. We're in a good spot. He's looking.
I got two over here looking.
He's a fast boy.
Nerdy back up a little bit to us.
I'm throwing smoke so I can. I'm sorry, it might be bad for you guys, but
We know we have two on the left. This guy on the right might be solo. I don't know. Watch your angle here. Nice.
Dead. Right, guy to our right's dead.
All right. Wait, I got a guy right here. They're coming up. Grenading out. They're right
knocked
on us,
him. Knocked him in the
close.
smoke. Watch for nades.
fire.
They're right in front of us, south.
I got one knock.
Nice.
Yeah,
Oh
boy.
my god. Yeah.
Let's get it, guys.
That
So clean.
was excellent.
Good job, boys.
Damn.
No bot kills? What the hell?
That was fantastic.
That was a lot of good communication there.
That was clean. That was very clean. We got-
almost looks like we know what we're doing.
Like, and that was good. Yeah, managed both flanks there. How did everybody do for kills?
I just had one.